Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to switch modes now. First, open the YouTube app or go to YouTube, com in your browser. Once the page loads, tap your profile photo in the top right or click the three-dot menu on mobile. On desktop, click the profile avatar. This exposes settings and appearance options. Don't get bogged down in account details. You only need the appearance or theme entry. Now proceed to open that setting so you can change the display mode. Now select appearance or theme in the settings list. You'll see choices like use device theme, dark theme, and light theme. If your goal is to turn off dark mode, pick light theme explicitly. If you prefer YouTube to follow your device, pick use device theme instead. Once you tap light, YouTube applies the change immediately. Make sure to scroll within the settings if you don't see appearance. Some screens hide it under general or display sections. Finish by confirming the interface is now light. Refresh the page or restart the app if necessary. If the theme didn't change, make sure your app is up to date and clear the cache or site data, since stale settings can persist. Once done, try signing out or opening an incognito/private window to see if a profile-level preference is forcing dark mode. If problems persist, reinstall the app or check system theme settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.